guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create this blue accented look. It's actually pretty simple, so you definitely be able to recreate. Since I have dry skin, I went with the Top Face foundation. It's kind of a dupe for the Estee Lauder Futurist, but it's a bit more long wearing. Pay close attention to my application technique. I'm working down the blending process for you so you can avoid any patchiness. I also recommend softening the edges of your liquid products with a sponge if needed. By the way, blue is so in this year, and it looks stunning paired with a pale yellow shade. I use the Top Face bronzer in shade 3. I am obsessed with this shade and the texture. It has a warm undertone, but it still looks amazing on my cool toned skin. I'll link all the products I'm using in the description box below. Enjoy the video! I also use blushes from the same brand and blend them out with a dense dual fiber brush. It's actually super important to match your brush to the texture. Natural bristles tend to soak up liquid products, which can lead to a patchy finish. Natural hair is the best for powders, while synthetic bristles are the way to go for liquids. When I apply a shadow, I like to use two brushes. One brush is for applying this shadow, and the second one is a clean brush that I use to blend out the edges. This helps the makeup look much cleaner and more polished. The softer your blending brush is, the softer and smoother the edge of the shadow will look. If the brush is too stiff, I can actually wipe the shadow away completely. And instead of a soft blend, you end up with a patchy effect. Under my eyes, I clean up any fallout and touch up my foundation and blush. I'm going to use the Rimmel Concealer. It's very long lasting, but be careful, it can emphasize skin texture and has full coverage. I love using it in my videos to achieve an even flawless finish. After applying mascara to my lashes, I added the lashes cluster. I think they really complete the look. And that's it for me. Bye bye.